Well, guys, it happened. Binance launched the Euro and Great Britain Pound fiat exchange. Will trade Bitcoin, Great Britain Pound pair, and Ethereum Pound pair, and Bitcoin Euro, Ethereum Euro. So we were waiting for that for a while, and apparently it happened. So, well, kudos to them. And that's the thing which a lot of people were waiting, because you need to have a certain like a switch between the fiat to a lot of the altcoins which you can find on Binance, and now you can basically store log into Binance and you have everything there, including your fiat. So that's amazing. Okay. Next thing, oh yeah, and by the way, they actually provide $100 to €20 for 5,000 first users. Well, I guess that it's impossible to go there, so to get in this 5,000. But anyway, nice move from them. Second news: Ethereum developers postpone Constantinople hard fork because of the some vulnerability was found in a software upgrade. Well, they didn't say when it will be, when they will switch, until when they will postpone the hard fork. Probably they will update this info in the blog somewhat in the end of this week. But still, it doesn't mean that hard fork wouldn't happen. It's just a delay. And although there are speculation about the price change based on this event, I don't think that it's really worth paying attention on that. So just let's wait what will happen. Another news that anonymous Bitcoin miners are taking over the network, and it seems like from 2018 beginning we have more and more miners, like not really small pools, but like small miners indeed, or unknown miners indeed, are gaining the portion of the market. In fact, a lot of the mining companies may be shutting down their mining because they want to get more profits when the price will be higher, so they don't want to mine in the loss or in the very small profit, something like that. So we'll see how things will change when the price will be higher. But so far it's good, because we have more resistance to 51% attack and so on. Today was the launch of the Grin coin mainnet, and if you don't know what is the Grin coin, is the new sort of privacy coin based on MimbleWimble technology, and this technology allows to make faster and private transaction within the blockchain. You basically can soft fork the Bitcoin with MimbleWimble technique, and it actually makes like a lot of the other advantages, like the blockchain is lighter, and you can have additional perks and make it delete not needed parts of the blockchain. It's a cool tech, pretty hyped last year. So actually, if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment and we look at this tech in more detail. But yeah, pretty much expected, and a lot of people are waiting to mine now that it has started. Let's see how the price will behave when it will be listed in one of the bigger exchanges, but still a lot of community around it is getting nuts. Okay, we're getting Grin finally launched. And now let's talk about the price. So what you see now is basically nothing changed. We are still trading the same zone. However, we see this triangle formed, and the thing about this triangle is that we are, well, it's very visible to everybody, but we are in close to the apex, and a lot of the people are expecting the price to go down, so to break downwards of this triangle. And indeed, a lot of the tech indicators showing exactly that should happen. However, I'm remaining sort of more bullish than bearish, and the thing is that partially because of the fact that a lot of people are expecting it to go down and wanted to buy to some like $3,000 or below $3,000, or at least at 3,200. So when the crowd is expecting the things to happen in a certain way. The things are happening in the opposite way. So, and another thing which is making me sort of optimistic is the Tether price action. In fact, we were looking at it for a while, and this is just my speculation based on the long-term correlation of the price of Bitcoin and Tether. But what I see now is that for a while we were trading above $1, and at the moment we see the moving average, 50 days moving average, is touching $1 mark. And in fact, it sort of reflects the general behavior of the price when we see the lows are going higher and higher and higher. And actually, we are forming this triangle right now, which with the preceded rise of the price actually looks pretty much bullish. So even if we would drop, we probably will not pierce the 50-day moving average too much, or at least for too long, and then we'll turn above $1, which means that we are still in the bullish territory, or at least will not go to the new bottom for the Bitcoin. If we'll go up, then I would consider it to be a signal to, or at least the consequence of Bitcoin going. It's not clear what goes first, to Bitcoin going up as well. And yeah, so including these two, or considering these two things, I'm remaining bullish and expecting the things going up. At least in the midterm. Maybe we'll go like a little bit lower to cool down a little bit more, then we have the chance to go up. Don't know, don't take it as a financial advice, my personal opinion, because this is my personal opinion. But you see, I don't know, simple tech worked for many times before recently, so I still believe that we are in a good shape. Okay, thank you for being with me today. Hope to see you tomorrow in the next update. Safe trading, guys. Goodbye.